gosh.
Oh, shoot. It's bad. He's not happy with that.
Oh, never mind.
Dick out! Dick out! He's got about a 3-iron there.
Really pulled that hook.
Really pulled. I think he slid into a family of 6 on that one.
Ah, shit!
Uh-oh, could be trouble. And we could skip across. That's right. So there's no pressure. And that's good because it's right and it's fading.
It's in a hole. You were aimed way right again.
Look what I did.
Oh, and there it is. That will hit the highlight reel. We are off and running.
Oh, shit!
Oh, shit!
Oh, come out of there.
Oh, we got wood.
Oh, God. Way right, way
Come
right.
down, come down.
Gonna be in.
Lay down.
Yeah, I'll be in right on the road.
Where?
You on the right side, sand trap, a little right of the sand trap. There's trouble right now.
We need Steve to be long and strong. And he has killed somebody. We could be seeing a neighbor here.
There's no way of denying
I don't know,
it's on film.
Steve? We can't find him.
Short par 3. That probably will get wet.
Get up.
Go, ball.
Right at the flag. A little short. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up.
Right side out of bounds.
East of her. Right side, goodbye. Forget it. Where we at?
Out of bounds.
What a fucking dick. Pull it together, Rick.
Pull something.
We need this one here, buddy.
What is it?
The problem with some of the locals? There you go. There he is. That's our best driver. Where we at?
Out of bounds.